Hi, thanks for using my court coach. I'm Sarah, and I'll be your instructor today as we talk about the request for hearing regarding registration of California Support Order, also known as Form FL-445. As with all our court forms, you want to start off by filling in your identifying case caption information at the top. If you are filling out this form, chances are that you have been served with a registration of support order telling you that the opposing party, the obligee, the recipient of support, has registered your support order in a different county than the one that it was issued in or is currently in. And you are disputing that. So if you want to dispute that, you do need to have a hearing on the matter. Below, you can see there's a place to enter the date and time of the hearing. If you are in a county where you need to call up your court clerk and have them give it to you over the phone, that's fine. And you can include that date and time that they give you over the phone right here, as well as the department number. If you're in a county where you have to go to the courthouse to have them file the paperwork before they'll give you a hearing date and time, then just leave this blank for now. Below, you're going to list or indicate whether the address is the same as noted above, or if there's a different address where this hearing will be taking place in, list that under Other. Next, you want to mark box 2, which states that you're requesting that the registration of support order be vacated, and then you want to check all the reasons that apply. 2A, if you are not the obligor, the parent order to pay support in the statement of registration, you would mark 2A. 2B, if the support order attached to the statement for registration is not a valid order, you would mark that box. 2C, if the amount of arrears listed on the registration paperwork is incorrect and you're disputing that, you would mark 2C, and you have the opportunity to list what you believe the correct amount of arrears is. You do not have to, but you certainly have the option to. And then any supporting documentation you have that to support the claim that their amount of arrears that they're claiming is incorrect, you can attach that to this. 2D, any other reason that you can think of why this registration of support order should be vacated, you can specify that here. I will say, though, that if it's because the new location where the order is registered is inconvenient for you, I'm not sure that would be a winning argument. The obligee, the recipient of support, does have a right to register the support order in the county in which he or she resides, the county in which you reside, or the county where the child resides. That's the subject of the order. So just something to consider. If there has been also an income and withholding order that has been registered, you can ask for that to be stayed if the order is currently being appealed. In that case, you would mark box 3. It is likely that if there's an appeal going on, the clerk that stamped the paperwork was unaware of it. Whatever the facts are in support of your request, you want to explain those. If this is not enough space for you, you can always attach a sheet of paper and explain in further detail there. Just mark the box that says contained in the attached declaration. You then want to fill in your name at the bottom, sign and date, and this form is now ready to be filed and then served. I hope you found this helpful. Good luck.